now we know that there are a lot of wonderful reasons to go vegan. But learning to cook satisfying vegan meals at home can be an overwhelming thought. Is vegan cooking really doable for busy, budget-conscious people like you? I'm Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan on YouTube, and I'm here to show you that eating more plants can be mind-bogglingly delicious. And even better than that, it can be easy, budget-friendly, and practical for your busy life. Together we'll learn some practical cooking techniques that can be used to make my recipes, but they'll also give you the skills and know-how that you need to feel more confident and capable in the kitchen. I'll also be sharing some of my best grocery shopping tips to help you save money on basic vegan essentials. Vegan food doesn't have to be expensive, and in this class you'll learn how to stock your pantry on a budget. We'll also cover the basics of plant-based nutrition, like where do vegans get their protein? And we'll even make cheese. Yes, we're making cheese from plants, and it's going to be life-changing. Whether you're just ready to try Meatless Monday or if you've been vegan for years, this class has something for everybody. Vegans and non-vegans are welcome here, so click the link and enroll today because there is so much deliciousness that awaits. I'll see you in the kitchen.